Wealth is often seen as a sign of success, but the richest people rarely talk about their money. Their silence is not just about privacy, it is a strategic choice. Their discretion protects their financial interests and personal security. Their mindset is focused on growth, not showing off. Their habits reveal a deep understanding of wealth management. Their approach to money is different from those who seek attention. Their financial knowledge allows them to maintain and grow their fortune. Their secrecy is a powerful tool that keeps them ahead. Their ability to remain silent is not a weakness, it is a strength. Their financial strategies are built on discipline, not public approval. Their understanding of risk and security keeps them cautious. Their long-term thinking prevents them from making impulsive decisions. Their ability to resist the urge to flaunt their wealth shows true financial intelligence. Their discipline allows them to make smart investments without unnecessary distractions. Their focus on generational wealth keeps them ahead in the financial game. Today, we will explore why the rich do not talk about their wealth. Stick around, and if you enjoy insightful discussions, make sure to like and subscribe. 1. Wealth and privacy go hand in hand. The rich understand that privacy is a form of security. Their fortunes make them targets for scammers and fraudsters. Their discretion protects them from unnecessary risks. Their silence keeps their personal lives separate from their financial status. Their wealth attracts attention, but they prefer to avoid it. Their privacy allows them to live more peacefully. Their ability to stay quiet about money helps them maintain control. Their decision to keep finances private is about maintaining a normal life. Their focus is on wealth preservation, not public perception. Their ability to protect their assets depends on how little others know about them. Their investments and financial strategies remain confidential for a reason. Their privacy ensures that their financial decisions remain free from outside influence. Their ability to build wealth quietly keeps them ahead of the competition. Their control over their personal information gives them an advantage in business and investments. Their ability to operate without public scrutiny allows them to make better financial choices. 2. Avoiding unwanted attention. The rich know that talking about money invites problems. Their silence helps them avoid jealousy and judgment. Their friends and family may react differently if they knew the full extent of their wealth. Their discretion keeps relationships based on genuine connection rather than financial status. Their low profile prevents others from treating them differently. Their financial success is often built on discipline, not bragging. Their ability to stay under the radar helps them stay in control. Their wealth is a tool, not a topic for conversation. 3. The fear of expectations and requests. The rich often face constant requests for financial help. Their silence helps them avoid being seen as a never-ending source of money. Their discretion prevents awkward conversations about loans or donations. Their financial success does not mean they want to support everyone around them. Their silence allows them to set boundaries without creating conflict. Their ability to manage expectations keeps their wealth from becoming a burden. Their financial independence is best maintained when others do not see them as a bank. 4. True wealth is quiet, fake wealth is loud. The rich do not need to prove their financial status to anyone. Their actions speak louder than words. Their wealth allows them to live comfortably without seeking validation. Their investments and assets reflect their success more than flashy displays. Their understanding of money keeps them focused on long-term growth. Their mindset is different from those who flaunt temporary riches. Their confidence comes from financial stability, not social approval. Their ability to stay humble separates them from those who only appear wealthy. 5. The power of understatement. The rich know that keeping a low profile gives them an advantage. Their financial power grows when others underestimate them. Their ability to operate in silence prevents competitors from knowing their next move. Their investments and business strategies remain private for a reason. Their wealth allows them to make deals without public scrutiny. Their low-key approach gives them more control over negotiations. Their understanding of money means they focus on results, not attention. 6. Security and safety concerns. The rich have real security concerns when it comes to wealth. Their financial status makes them potential targets for criminals. Their families could be at risk if too much is revealed about their money. Their discretion keeps them safe from kidnapping and fraud attempts. Their understanding of risk management means they take privacy seriously. Their security measures go beyond alarms and cameras. Staying quiet is part of the plan. Their silence is a form of protection, not just personal preference. 7. Generational wealth mindset. The rich think beyond the present. They focus on the future. Their wealth is meant to last for generations, not just their lifetime. Their goal is to create a financial legacy, not short-term status. 8. The psychology of wealth. The rich do not see money as a way to impress others. Their mindset is focused on freedom, security, and opportunity. Their financial confidence comes from smart decisions, not public approval. Their habits show that true wealth is about control over one's life. Their ability to resist showing off is a sign of financial intelligence. Their discipline with money allows them to create real financial independence. Their understanding of wealth is deeper than luxury. It is about long-term success. 9. How society reacts to wealth. The rich understand that money changes how people see them. Their silence prevents unnecessary social complications. Their wealth can make others feel insecure or envious. Their discretion keeps their relationships authentic. Their success often leads to unfair judgments, so they stay private. Their ability to manage their image helps them navigate social situations smoothly. Their wealth is not for public approval, it is for their own goals. 10. The rich focus on what really matters. The rich do not need to talk about their money because they focus on bigger goals. Their time is spent on investments, businesses, and personal growth. Their silence reflects their understanding that wealth is a tool, not a status symbol. Their priorities include financial independence, philanthropy, and building a meaningful life. Their approach to money is about creating value, not attracting attention. Their success is built on discipline, strategy, and long-term vision. The rich stay quiet about their wealth for many reasons, from privacy to security. Their silence allows them to focus on financial growth without unnecessary attention. Their mindset is different from those who seek validation through money. Their ability to stay discreet is a key factor in their financial success. Their approach to wealth teaches us valuable lessons about discipline and focus. Their actions prove that real financial power does not need to be spoken about. If you found this insightful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more.